The new Fortnite decoration seems easy to claim, but what if you are a mobile? Let's suppose that you don't have a PC and no console either. You will have a hard time. But I will teach you for the only time how to acquire the decoration, since Discord makes fun of its users with the Missions tab, which is practically decoration and forces us to have one of these devices. Hurry before this wonderful offer ends, which lasts a few days and gives us a temporary decoration. These same steps can be done from the PC, assuming that you cannot download Fortnite. One of the first steps is to link our Xbox account. You can create one with Microsoft. Now we will use the cloud gaming services. We look for Xbox Cloud Gaming. This page, you can find it in the comments, and then we have to play Fortnite. It is literally the game in beta. You can play or leave the screen active for 15 minutes. This will make the percentage of the mission increase and you can claim your decoration. It is important to have the Xbox account linked and accept the mission. In some cases, you may be on a waiting list. To avoid that, use VPN and skip the queue. This is how easy you can redeem a Discord decoration without complications. Let me know what you think.